today's video, we have a new series. It is 3-minute reviews. And our first product is the Tozo Open Earring Earphones. We're going to unbox them and I'm going to give you a little review as well, all within 3 minutes. So let's hop straight into the video. All right, opening up the headphones here. They are covered in plastic. Let's get that opened. It says built-in LED display, open ear designed for comfort, 12mm drivers, and fashionable ear clip style wearing. So let's check these out. Okay, so we get some instructions in the box as well. Here are the headphones themselves. We get the USB-C to USB-A adapter. And here are the headphones themselves. USB-C charging on the back. Open them up and there's a pull tab here. So I think, here we go. Very odd design, but we're gonna see how they work. Got the LED display on the front as well, showcasing battery life and percentage of battery, which is awesome. To connect them to your phone, you just press the button on the back and it should bring up the pairing mode. As you guys can see, Tozo Open Earrings, you click that and the headphones will be connected. As simple as that. Alrighty guys, that is the whole unboxing. Let's get into the review. Review on the Tozo Open Earring Earphones. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure if I could recommend this product. Let's start with the positives. They are $50 on Amazon right now with Bluetooth 5.3, LED display, USB-C. Ergonomics in the ear are pretty good. Once they are resting in your ear the way they have been designed, it is pretty weird. Which is a kind of a pro and a con, but the pro side of it is that they do rest, I guess, on your ear, like just over your ear canal there, or in your lobe, whatever you want to call it, as an earring does inside there, and they are pretty comfortable. You kind of forget that they are there because they are pretty light, but that's kind of where the positive stuff ends. So one of the negative things is the actual design itself. I don't like how they do sit. I know it is ergonomic like we just discussed, but I do prefer in ear, which does block out more sound. It is more comfortable for me. It does feel more secure. Yeah, I'm not a really big fan of the design of these earphones. Also, no wireless charging built in, so if that's a problem for you, or for me it is, I normally do wireless charge them all the time. I know it's not a deal breaker, but again, one thing that would have been nice if they did have. Sound quality isn't too bad. Again, you're paying $50, so you get what you pay for, I guess. So yeah, I can kind of see, you know, $50 are not too bad for sound quality if you're in the market for that, but mic quality is really
I'm recording this with the audio from the Tozos to see what it sounds like.
Bad. So I did take a phone call with this and the person on the other line said, I thought I was speaking through a potato, like it was terrible quality. Pull my AirPods back in and straight away they knew the difference instantly. So the mic quality on these isn't good at all. But yeah, these are the Tozo Open Earring Earphones. Don't know if I could recommend them. They are on Amazon, $50. I'll leave the link in the description down below, so if you want to check them, go for it. But again, you pay for what you get. $50, you're going to get a mediocre product, probably not the best. So if you can spend a bit more, you get something a bit more better. So that has been a 3-minute review, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, smash the thumbs up button, let me know in your comments down below and I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll catch you guys in another video.